Hi, I'm William Greenwood, and I'm Sales and Technical Services Manager for AB Vista.
Hi, I'm Gwyneth Jones, and I'm a Technical Services Coordinator for AB Vista, and today we're going to talk a little bit about our technical services. Will, how can AB Vista Calibrations help maximise the return on an NIR machine investment?
When using NIR, you need to be confident in the results to make decisions quickly and easily in a way that can add value to your business. AB Vista Calibrations have over 4 million reference data points covering over 25 years of global variation, so you can be confident that the calibrations are robust and will reliably cover all expected variation. We continue to monitor and update our calibrations to include new sample data using reference wet chemistry to maintain the robustness. NIR is very quick compared to traditional wet chemistry methods. It is therefore easy to generate a huge amount of analytical data from your raw materials and feeds. For this reason, AB Vista has data management software to help you make meaningful decisions from the NIR results that can add value to your business. Networking solutions also make it possible to connect different sites and access your NIR database from anywhere you have an internet connection. Gwyneth, what investment is AB Vista making in advancing NIR technology?
At AB Vista, we believe it's important to understand the substrate present in all the major raw materials before applying our products. We have invested in building calibrations to help understand the levels of phytate and total dietary fibre. These can be used to give you confidence that your diet formulation can support your chosen feed additive strategy, such as superdosing or maximum matrix nutrition. We also have unique energy parameters for cereals that correlate better to animal performance, calibrations for the main amino acids in key raw materials, as well as protein quality indicators for soybean meal and canola meal.
Perfect. And how can AB Vista help me to reduce my environmental impact?
We know that going forward, greenhouse gas emissions are going to be increasingly important in our animal production industry. For this reason, we offer an emissions reporting tool to improve efficiency on farm. Dependent on species, between 40 to 80% of livestock carbon emissions are associated with the feed. This means that changes to the feed formulation can have a big impact on a company's carbon footprint, and this is where AB Vista's product and nutrition expertise can bring value. The simple and easy to use service gives a detailed breakdown of the sources of CO2 on farm, and we offer consultancy on how to reduce your carbon emissions from feed via one of our feed additive strategies.
Okay. And how can AB Vista give confidence that additive is being delivered to the animals at the required dose?
AB Vista has a dedicated team of laboratory staff that specialise in the analysis of AB Vista products for all of our customers. We provide quick, accurate and reliable results which give confidence that additive is present in the feed at the correct dose. We use ELISA technology that is specific to AB Vista products. This ensures that it is only active product that is detected and not endogenous or competitor products. In addition to in-house analysis, we supply laboratory kits to customers that have their own laboratory facility, and we provide training and support on the use of these kits. Will, how can AB Vista advise on feed mill setup to ensure maximum enzyme recovery?
In each region, AB Vista has an engineering expert that is ready to visit the feed production facility and check everything is ordered and advise, including ways to maximize recovery of feed additives in your production setup. In addition, AB Vista makes financial investments in companies that use our products. We have a simple formula that is used to calculate the level of financial investment and service support we can make in your company based on your usage of AB Vista products. For any further information regarding any of these technical services and the support AB Vista can provide, please contact your local AB Vista representative